Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this. This is the amour-fast Cromwell. This is from a company that I've never built a kit from this company before, so I'm quite excited for doing it. It's in 1/72 scale and there's 2 Cromwells inside. On the top of the box there's just safety information. Side of the box, they're just the same as the front of the box, and the bottom of the box, they've just got more safety. On the back of the box, they've got, if there's any issues, you can email them with this email address, and it's telling you the different kits in the range, and there's the instructions. I mean, I'm just saying, like, half the parts on this instruction manual aren't actually there on the kit, and half the parts in the kit aren't actually on the instruction manual. Well done, amour-fast. These are, and I'm not joking when I say that, that is literally the instructions for the kit. That's just it. That's all there is for the instructions. It's just that. So it's assembling the turret, assembling the chassis, and assembling the tracks, which are just starting to place. All done in one step. I'm not going to lie to you. When I bought this kit, I didn't notice this on the back. I bought it thinking, oh yeah, it's got 2 Cromwells inside. That's a bargain for £8.50. And then I realised why it was £8.50. Well, because there's no instructions. And if I just get into the inside the box and look at the parts, which you all want to see anyway. It's, in my opinion, feels clunky. They just feel a bit large. And when I got them out of the box, they're not dusty anymore because I've cleaned them off. But they were dusty, and that sound really made my bones water. The parts were actually dusty, like you can see it here. It's dusty. I don't know why they were dusty, but they were just dusty when I put them out of the box, which is really quite disappointing. Taking an actual proper look at the parts, they do seem, although they feel a bit clunky, they do seem to be good quality with lots of moulded detail, and I don't even know if you can see it, but it's natural armour texture there. But it's disappointing that they've got this copyright on the bottom half of the tank, which kind of sucks, but you know, you get what you're given. Yeah, lots of injection points here, and seam lines dotted about. Not the best. There's no decals for the kit whatsoever, but like I said, it's not nice to get some numbers for the tank, like you get with the Airfix kits or the Revel kits. But yeah, or you get instructions on the back of the box, which are awful. But now on to my ratings. For the box, I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. Well, although the kit has its shortcomings, it's a nice box. Getting straight to the point, showing you the tank, and telling you all the information you need to know. For the instructions, I'm going to give it a 3 out of 10. They do the job, there's just no detail whatsoever. For the decals, they're going to get what's appropriate when I look at the scoreboard and put the scores on, and that will fit into where I judge this kit to go. For the parts, I'm going to give a 6 out of 10, because they are good quality, although apart from these copyright symbols, and they came dusty, which is another bonus, and in my opinion they feel a bit clunky. But anyway, I want to thank you all very much for watching. Hope you did enjoy the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and feel free to stick around and look around the channel. Hope to see you all in the next video. Goodbye.